Updating your billing address on Brilliant.org is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Brilliant.org website and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Access account setting. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select billing information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRAT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your address. Find the option to edit your billing address. Enter your new address information in the provided fields, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new billing address. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing address up to date on Brilliant.org.